market is stacked with many spices and flavors, from the exceptionally normal dark pepper to the extraordinary turmeric. Alongside astounding medical advantages they have to bring to the table, spices and flavors likewise add flavor and fragrance to our dishes. Examination has likewise indicated that spices and flavors can possibly support digestion, advance satiety, help weight the board and improve the general nature of an eating routine. So tidy up your day-by-day cooking with a scramble of zest and achieve your ideal weight reduction. Here are the rundown of best weight reduction spices and flavors which are effectively accessible and help weight reduction. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a standout amongst other weight reduction spices on the grounds that it assists with settling glucose level, keeps you full for a more extended time, diminishes cravings for food and processes fats at a quicker rate. Ginger. Ginger is an excellent body chemical. Ginger assists with eliminating the food signed in the stomach-related framework, and accordingly forestalls fat stockpiling and weight acquire. Cardamom. Cardamom helps support your digestion and improve your body's capacity to consume fat. The cooling impacts of cardamom, notwithstanding being a flavor, can help in assuaging acidity. Turmeric. Turmeric flavor has a few weight reduction properties. It assists with decreasing the arrangement of fat tissues, subsequently bringing down complete muscle versus fat and forestalls weight acquire. Acai berry. Studies show that the juice from the acai berry or the dried powder of acai berry can improve the capacity to shed pounds adequately. They help to forestall the fat development in the body and have tremendous. Nettle. Nettle leaf is profoundly nutritive and it is stacked with cancer prevention agent nutrients like nutrient C and nutrient A. They help in refining blood and consumes fat. Guarana. Guarana has diuretic properties which helps in getting in shape. It additionally helps in invigorating the sensory system and encourages you to maintain a strategic distance from enthusiastic eating because of stress or strain. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper incorporates a compound called as capsaicin which assists with consuming fat and smothers your yearning longings. It is viable in weight reduction, since it builds body's digestion movement which makes the body consume more calories. Cumin. Cumin assists with improving your stomach-related cycle and creation of energy. Cumin seeds likewise assists with boosting your safe framework. Ginseng. Ginseng assists with boosting energy levels and paces up digestion rate. It can promote weight loss, slow fat absorption and change fat formation. Thank you for watching. Give your thumbs up if you liked this video. If you want more health tips and tricks, you can subscribe to the channel.